Hey guys, if you want to buy crypto using your Amex credit card, then it's pretty simple. You just need to make sure that you have a active Amex credit or debit card that you can use for purchase online, and make sure that there's enough credit that you can use to buy the crypto that you want. So let's give an example with Binance. Binance is a platform where you can buy, trade, or sell cryptocurrencies. So in Binance, you just need to get a verified account. Then you can just find this add funds or deposit option. So you can just click on add funds, where you can just add cryptocurrency. You can just choose any cryptocurrency from here, and here you can see if you don't have crypto assets, then you can just go with this deposit euro or USD, whatever currency do you have. After that, you will find a payment section, payment method section, where you can just select the deposit method. You will find some bank transfer, and in other section you will find credit and debit card and some others online mobile banking. So you must need to go with credit and debit card. Actually, there is the option. Actually, Amex is not available in Binance for bank transfer, so you can just go with credit and debit card. After that, you can just enter the amount that you want to deposit. Then you can just click on this add a new card button here. So where you can just add your new Amex card, where you can just enter your first name, your last name that your card have, and the card number correctly, then expiration date, CVV or CRC, then the billing address that you have associated with your credit or debit card. Then confirm all the details, and you just need to go through the process that are prompted on your screen, and you have to deposit it, and the amount will pay from your Amex account to your Amex credit card. That's how you can easily just buy some crypto from your with by using your Amex credit or debit card. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.